M sound, a bilingual mini lesson with Lyons Language Learning. Let's break down the M sound, one of the first sounds we learn to make. To make the M sound, close your lips. Let the air flow through your nose. And feel your vocal cords vibrate. It's a voiced sound. Try it with me. Music. Moon. Muffins. Fun fact, some languages, like Burmese and Icelandic, even use voiceless nasals, like whispering an M sound. En español, usamos el sonido M, en palabras como mamá o mesa. Repite conmigo, música. Mano. Mapa. The M sound is everywhere. Now you know how to hear it, feel it, and say it.